In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Eventbrite messages. One important thing to understand right from the beginning is that Eventbrite does not work like a typical messaging app. There isn't a single built-in chat inbox where all your conversations appear in one place. So when people talk about Eventbrite messages, they're usually referring to emails from Eventbrite or updates connected to a specific event order. The first and most common place to check is your email. In most cases, Eventbrite messages are sent directly to the email address connected to your account or the one you used when registering for an event. To find them, open your email app, whether that's Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or another provider. Then use the search bar and type in Eventbrite. This usually helps pull up ticket confirmations, reminders, and organizer updates much faster than scrolling manually through your inbox. Once the results appear, open the emails related to the event or organizer you're looking for. These messages often include ticket details, event updates, schedule changes, reminders, and other useful information. If you've signed up for more than one event, searching by the event name can make it even easier to locate the right message. Another place to check is your Eventbrite account itself, especially if you want to view information connected to a ticket or order. Start by logging in to Eventbrite. After that, go to your tickets or orders section, depending on what appears in your account. From there, select the specific event or order you want to review. Inside that event or order page, look for details related to the organizer and your registration. You may see options like Contact Organizer, along with order details and any updates tied to that event. This page can be useful because organizers sometimes share important event-related information through the order page rather than through a separate messaging system. It's also helpful to remember that Eventbrite communication is mainly email-based or stored within your ticket or order details. Since there's no unified inbox, you may need to check both places to make sure you don't miss anything important. If you still can't find the message you need, check your spam or junk folder, since automated event emails sometimes get filtered there. You can also search your email using the event name instead of just Eventbrite. And if needed, go back to your ticket page and use the organizer contact option to reach out directly. That's how to view your Eventbrite messages and make sure you stay updated on your events.